Example number 2, factor the GCF. Here's our polynomial. We're going to go ahead and begin finding the GCF of the coefficients 15, 20, and 10. There are several strategies you could use to find the GCF. I know that 15 and 20 and 10, they all have a 5 in common. So I know that 5 is the biggest number that divides the coefficients. So my GCF is going to be 5. Now for the variables, A, let's first look at A. For the variables, we have a to the third power, a squared, and a squared. Let's go with the smallest exponent, which is a squared. That's our GCF. And let's not forget about the y. For the y, we have y squared, y to the third, and y squared. The smallest exponent is the 2, so we're going to use y squared as part of our GCF. Again, this is not the end of the problem because the question says to factor. Okay, so to factor, we're going to take our original problem and we're going to divide everything by the GCF. Okay, so I'm going to take everything and divide it by the GCF. So let's see, this is 5a squared y squared. I'm going to do that to everything. Okay, let's start on this section here. Y squared divided by y squared, that gets eliminated. A squared and a squared as well. 10 divided by 5, that is 2. Right here, 20 divided by 5, that is, or negative 20 divided by 5 is negative 4. Right here we have a squared divided by a squared, that gets eliminated. Y to the third divided by y squared, we simply subtract the exponents, 3 minus 2, that leaves us with y to the power of 1. And then here, 15 divided by 5, that's 3. A to the third power divided by a squared, that is a to the power of 1. And then y squared and y squared are eliminated. So here's the expression that goes inside of the parentheses. So if I want to provide my solution is going to be, let's see, it'll be 5a squared, which is the GCF, 5a squared y squared times the quantity of 3a minus 4y plus 2. Let's compare that to our solution. Okay. We have the same solutions.